Hi, first graders. Today we're going to continue working on our vowel teams. This week we're going to look at vowel teams that make the long O sound. Long O says O. OE says O, like in the word toe. OA says O, like in the word boat. B-oat, boat. When we see these two vowels together, the first one does the talking. It says O. This A will be silent. The E will be silent. Usually we see OA in the middle of a word. We usually see OE at the end of a word, like in toe. So now we know 4 ways to make the long O sound. O says O. O magic E says O. O A says O. And O E says O. We put our sound line under it because it makes one sound. And then I put the line above the O because each of these is going to make the O sound for long O. O, like in the word go. O, like in the word robe. O, like in the word coat. And O, like in the word toe.